Hey YouTubers, I'm Helen and welcome to Helen's House and Garden. Today I'm going to be showing you day 4 of feeding Freddie the sourdough starter. You're going to need your sourdough starter, chopstick or implement to stir, 50 grams of bread flour, 50 grams of water, a pair of scales, and I've got a new thing which I'm going to show you. It's a wide mouth funnel which is really handy for putting dry products into jars and it stops spillage. Let's have a look at Freddie, see how he's getting on. So I can see here that we've got some liquid sat on the top, and that's okay. That means that Freddie's actually hungry, and inside you can see nice bubbles going on. So it's a little bit liquidy on the top. Don't be put off by that. It's absolutely good. Freddie is starting to ferment and he's just turning a little bit of a sour smell. That's exactly what we're after. Let's pop the scales on, and using the wide mouth funnel you can just tip your bread flour in there, nice and easy, no messing. I've pre-weighed 50 grams of flour and I've also pre-weighed 50 ml of water. Just ensuring that comes up to the 100 grams. Give Freddie a really good stir. Make sure all the water and the flour are combined. Pop this one on the side, and then you just need to move up your marker, if you're using a marker, to the area where the sourdough starter has actually come up to. Pop your lid on. And I'm just going to leave Freddie on the side to ferment, leaving the sourdough starter at room temperature through the initial ferment. So if you like this video, please hit me up with like, subscribe, share, ring the bell if you'd like notifications of my next videos, and I'll be seeing you soon.